Hi, welcome to AI day number 71. And for today's topic, there is a new update from Metas. So, Space Llama, it is new model from Metas, open source, and it's going to orbit. So, I was surprised to hear that uh, because I thought since yeah is already much evolved over the time, at least for last 4 5 years. It is already available in space as well, and they must have doing experiment with that. And we will soon we will going to hear the news about the what AI can do in space. But now only I have realized that AI was not available on this space or orbit or different like space station, because internet is they can't connect internet to the space station. So to that resolve or work on that, for workaround for that difficulty, now we have this new space llama model from Meta. And it so they uh, have a partnership with Booz Allen, and like Booz Allen collaborated with Meta to deploy a fine-tuned version of Llama 3.2 aboard the International Space Station ISIS National Laboratory. So they will be conducting experiment with this new technology. And to know why only llama instead of others, because first thing is obvious that it is open source and it offers great flexibility, can download it and then deployed on machines without internet access, because that is the main issue for space stations. There is no need to transfer data through AI company for processing, helping to secure highly sensitive environment or even a connect to computer on earth, which is important since internet is unavailable on ISIS. Because to work on that, this is llama or llama space llama. It available as complete package, and there is no required to transfer data or like processing or other stuff required for uh, to install AI. And obviously it is lower cost because it's open source, and it has greater adaptability. Weight possibly by its publicly available model weights. The numerical value that determines how lemma make decision are helpful in setting IC's national laboratory, where researchers must able to respond to new conditions quickly and keep projects on budget. Because whenever there is a experiments on ISIS, since they uh, cannot connect to internet, and they are working on highly expensive experiment on in space, they require some inputs. And it seems they already have some reference available, but this AI able, instead of uh, it can this AI can provide their input of with available data and different formats. It can provide quickly suggest quickly output or workaround for that particular projects. And uh, so and Booz Allen owns. So earlier, Booz Allen's, they use this technology. The tech stack used for Space Llama brings together Booz Allen's own E2E2 AI for edge environment with Harvard package enterprise spaceborne computer to NVIDIA's technology like NVIDIA CUDA, CUDNN, CUBLAS. This technology enabling powerful AI operate directly on ISIS and Meta's Lemma Vision AI capabilities. So using compact energy efficient system of this NVIDIA, uh, Llama and Booz Allen technology, Space Llama will include both generative AI and multimodal AI into the space and with prompts, textual, visual, auditory like inputs. They will support different missions or different projects. Space Lemma can be used to help researchers easily retrieve information from crucial technology reference documents and instructions because there is no need internet needed. So I thought like mm, maybe I don't have that much technical details, but since now we have technology where uh, different satellites like Starlink, they provide internet access to remote Earth locations. Why don't they use that technology to provide internet access into the space? Maybe because there is a mm, environment issue or in space there is a vacuum kind of thing, but uh, it can be used, right? So that particular technology, why not being used into the space? Because what I heard that to counter uh, monopoly of Starlink, there is a in Europe there is a uh, company or funding going on for project which provides similar internet access in remote places. But I think they should use that technology here as well. So Space Lemma built on Booz Allen's successful deployment and operations of generative AI model using HP's in August. So uh, for like earlier they have used A2 E2 for mm, so this is particular article it is provided by Booz Allen, and you can go through their video which talk about similar like details. You can go through video or you have article you can read and go through. And laboratory research is a wide range of scientific project and represent critical step for lunar and Mars exploration and enablement of modern satellite and drone capabilities and the next generative AI. So this particular mission will be pioneer into how internet or sorry how AI can be used beyond Earth for different expensive or huge project. So uh, I think for researchers the like uh, to work on different project in space, it is impossible to work through this like with remote access from remote access from Earth and do experiments on space station. The astronauts needs to be available on ISIS or a different space station to carry out actual experiment on that from that place. And because of that there are researchers available constantly on these space stations. So with this there will be more help for to conduct experiment or to uh, like find capabilities of AI into and to get to know what are pros and cons of AI. So I think it will be milestone to for using AI into the space. Uh, Similarly, what I found that now how can this be possible, because now we know that uh, every almost every AI tools or chatbot, they provide response on this real time. However, earlier there was no this no this case. Actually, we have seen that ChatGPT, they used to have like space provide response for particular duration or time frame only, like for uh, they have data available for till 2021 or 2022, and whatever you provide the uh, inputs, they uh, go through that particular data set available, and they provide response on that particular time frame only. And if you ask query about for 2024 or 2023, then chat gpt or different AI not able to uh, provide a response or for that particular latest update. So they are using that particular kind of approach uh, to give output for queries into the space. So that's it for today for AI day number 71, and let's meet next time with another interesting topic. Thank you.